Yes, sir. Yeah, let me.
Ain't no thing over here.
Yeah, let me see. Yeah, sometimes it's in the center console. It's a P for like parking. Yeah. Yes, sir. There we go. We good. Yes, sir. Thank you. Get him up in the air. Once I get it off, I'll be able to kind of diagnose. If the nail's going straight down in the top, you know, typically it can be repaired, but if it's a sidewall, I don't think those can be repaired. I'm not sure. Nah, man, I just do the roadside assistance, man, with you know, I just jumped on a little program. I'm a handyman. I do construction full time, but you know, I seen an opportunity, you know, so jumped on it, man. I like to work. You pop the trunk for me? Get the make sure the spare's good. Here we go. Tires underneath. Yes, sir. I'm gonna have to remove this stuff. That's okay. This will be the hardest part of the whole tire change, man, is getting the spare tire from underneath. Because typically they crank down and every car is different. And we trying to figure out what car do what. Okay, they go to crank right there. Right over here.
Oh, they do it from just up here?
Yeah, man, it's
shit.
I didn't know who did it until I started doing this. But you gotta lower this tire down. Good tire. Crank this guy back up before I forget. Put that back where it go. Get these on by hand first, so I don't cross thread them. Get them nice and tight. Hit them with the breaker bar. Hit it with the tension. All right, got them all. Put this back where it belongs. Put all this stuff back. All right, another successful tire change in the books. All right. Don't see the issue here. Could have just been a slow leak. Oh, there it is right there. All right, that's it. Handy dandy at your service. Let's get it.